Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. So as I already mentioned, we did unbox this same casting in two other colors. Actually, one is gray, another one is a red color. But personally, I love this particular livery and color compared to those two because honestly, you can see a lot of gray cars or you can easily see a lot of red cars, but this one feels like a lime mint color. So it honestly like immediately attracted my eyes. So the moment I saw this, I was like, okay, let's take this. I don't want to leave it in the shop. So I immediately got this one. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, it looks good, but you can see some, I don't know whether it's a dust or okay, there is some issue with the paint itself. Yeah, there is some issue with the paint here. I'm not sure, it's like painted on top of it again, but or the paint itself just got ripped off or something like that. It looks like that, but you can see the wiper details here, you can see the engine detailing and everything here. I don't know if it's a fuel cap or something, just correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I thought it was a fuel cap. Okay, you can see acrylic for headlights, which looks so nice, and the paint job is good. So again, this metallic or glossy black always has some issues. It is never good. You can see the acrylic here, it is merging here. So the chassis is actually plastic, it's not metal. So the body is fully metal. It is actually very lightweight, it is not really heavy. I'm expecting somewhere around 38 39 grams, or so not even sorry, not even 38 39, somewhere around 31 30 31, around that range. The livery is so nice. I'm really glad I got this one. So it doesn't have any tail light details as usual. You can see the Porsche logo here, the name here. I think it is supposed to say 77 here, if I'm not wrong. I'm really not sure. Maybe 77 years. I don't know. I don't remember it exactly. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, there's some residue here. Let's remove that. Okay. Okay, 26 grams. Actually, a lot less than I was hoping for, but it's fine. Given that the casting is really small and like around 70% of the car is actually plastic. It's not even metal. You can see here. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, so it doesn't roll really well. Okay, third try. Okay, it does have some wheel wobble on the front, but it is not really worst. It stops on the same place again. So this is somewhere around the same range as the Mazda Repu, which we unboxed last week. So if you didn't see that video, just watch my Hot Wheels playlist. You will get an idea. But overall, it's a really cute and beautiful casting, and given that the paint job is something new, at least for me, because I never actually saw this particular color. So that's the only main reason I actually bought this one again. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.